Hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. Today in this video spellcaster James telling you how to fall in love a girl if they are not lesbian. Materials required for this spell: 1 photo of the person you want to fall in love. 1 pen. Step 1. Pick up the photo of the person. Step 2. Pick up the pen. Step 3. Write some lines after that I will tell. You think you don't, but I know you do. You love me, it's only true. Step 4. Now you can say it 1 time a day. You can do this spell for regular 21 days and you will see results definitely. If you have any queries regarding to this spell, then contact spellcaster James. Number will show you in the below of the screen. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to subscribe our YouTube channel, Spellcaster James.